Are you looking for a certified ASC track towards a rewarding career? Develop a set of mechanical and technical skills to prepare yourself to work as an automotive technician in dealerships, independent shops, part supply houses, mobile services, and fleet service shops. Graduates of this program have also found opportunities in the marine, agriculture, and industrial manufacturing industries. With advancements in technology evolving and impacting the automotive industry, this program may be the perfect opportunity for you to find a hands-on career that helps keep cars on the road. With both a day and night course offered, this program also provides flexibility for those seeking a non-traditional course schedule. From electric vehicles to internal combustion, the one-year program is certified by the Automotive Service Excellence, or ASC Education Foundation, and qualifies graduates to become entry-level technicians. With an emphasis on workplace safety, the 9 core focus areas of training include gasoline and light diesel engine repair, automatic transmission and transaxle, manual drivetrains and axles, suspension and steering, brakes, electrical and electronic systems, heating and air conditioning, and engine performance of the ASE entry-level certification are designed to develop a satisfactory level of practical knowledge-based readiness for the workforce. Graduates will have gained an understanding of principles through a variety of experiences, including classroom learning, lab activities, working on customer vehicles, writing repair orders, and ordering parts. Additionally, students will have the opportunity to participate in an externship. Steer your career path forward today by scheduling a tour of our one-year program at perrytech.edu/tour.